welcome back to my channel, Ethereal Orb. I am Megan. I've got some reds today. I'm gonna have to see if I can find my container for this because I'm not sure what it is. I thought maybe it was my bronze, but it's not. It's might be an Arteza metallic. So I'm not sure, but I'll see if I can find it in case anybody wants to know. And then I have this beautiful Bordeaux red from Arteza. It's just a really neat, deep red. I also have this Naples yellow, also from Arteza. I have some basics, dioxazine purple. This is Arteza's, it's their metallic blue. I think it's a sapphire pearl, actually, is what I think it is called. And then I just have some titanium white mixed. So I am going to do a flip cup. I'm not going to put my blue in the flip cup, and I will show you why here in a bit. Helps if you have a cup to pour your flip cup colors into. There we go. I'm going to do just a little bit of white. I don't want a ton of white. This white actually has, you know what? This is white I used the other day. This is not just white. This also has some pearlescence and some silver in it. And I was using this the other day for a string pole I was trying out. So I put some silicone in it because it was not my base color. Okay, so let's do some purple. A little bit of this. Let's do this metallic red. Put it over here a little bit. And I think I'll do some of this Naples yellow. I really like this color. I did a pour with it with blue and silver. It was really pretty. Okay, I'm going to add, let's see, do I want to add, let's just add just a hair bit more of this white. Just a little bit. I don't want a ton of white. I have one that I did a while back. It was in my beginner series. And I would love if it turned out sort of like that. I'm going to try where there's just white in one area. And I went back and watched. I did put it in the flip cup. Not on the canvas. And it's just the white just turned out in one spot. And it looked really pretty. There's the Naples yellow. Let's add a little more of that. A little more of this maroon. Then I'm going to add a little more purple because I like purple. Oh, I'm just going to top it off a little bit with some purple. Okay, so all those colors do have silicone in them, and they're mixed 50-50 with Floetrol. And what I'm going to do here, I have some white mixed, just white. This is just titanium white that does not have any silicone in it. Let me do my flip first, actually. So here we go. Ready? Flip. Set it in camera, make sure. Okay, so I'm going to do some white just right here. See if maybe I can get some white on this part of the canvas. And then I'm going to take my blue and I'm just going to put just a touch right along here. Maybe just a little bit more. And what I'm hoping is when I tilt, that's not going to just totally get poured off. Okay, ready? Boop. See, it may get covered. Oh, look at that. Pretty cup. It may tilt off. I don't know. We're just going to see how it goes. I love these colors. Quick torch. Okay. Now let's go towards the white side first. Actually, I'm going to go just kind of sideways and back and forth because I like this right here. challenge, of course, with tilting is always, if you don't like wonky cells, if you like wonky cells, it's not an issue. Sometimes I don't want wonky cells. Anyways, over tilting can create some wonky cells. Okay. Back this way. Yeah. And then bringing it back this way, hopefully some of that white will come up. And we did. We just rolled right over that blue. But maybe we can save some on the edge. Yeah, if we go back this way, got some of that blue left. Yep, lost it over there. It's okay. If I put Floetrol on the canvas to wet it, I may have had some more of that stay. Okay, you know what? I am happy with that. I am just going to touch up some corners here. Actually, let's go this way just a touch. Back. I'm going to keep that blue, but I'm kind of wanting to narrow that band of the Naples yellow just a bit. And it's actually doing exactly what I want it to do. Woohoo! That's not always the case with fluid art, is it? Okay, I am going to do a quick peek from the top after I touch up my corners. Let's see if I'm happy with that from above. Get a little different perspective. See if I can actually narrow that just a little bit more. Let's go this way. I do like it, I just don't want it quite that wide. Keep going. Yeah, no, because I'm not liking what's happening over here. So we're going to keep it at that. I'll do some close-ups real quick. Okay, guys, I flipped it around for the close-up because I kind of like it with that part at the bottom. And I'll pull back out in a second, but really, the colors blended really nicely in the cells. Look at that. Look at those rivers of that Naples gold right there. Really neat. Oh, there goes my dog. And there's that little bit of blue. I'll have to touch up the side of the canvas there, but we got just enough blue. That's all I wanted, really, was just a touch. And we did get our white, for the most part, on just one area of the canvas, so all in all, pretty happy with that. And you can see the shimmer from the red and the silver and the pearlescence in that white. Ooh, that looks like a butterfly wing. Okay, so let me know what you think. And let me know what you guys are up to. Sorry about the dogs, if you can hear them on the camera. Let me know what you guys have been pouring and such. Or just drop in and say hello in the comments. Make sure you hit subscribe and that little bell to be notified if you want to know when I post my videos. And we will see you next time, guys. Happy pouring!